When I think about leadership, I have 3 tips that I love to share. The first one is you have to have a definition of leadership and a model. It seems like a very simple one, but how can you be a leader if you don't have a definition? The definition I use is helping people be at their best more of the time. And the model I use is one about setting a future strategy, engaging everyone and delivering, and repeating that cycle. So I think the first thing, have a definition, have a model. Second thing is actually investing in your own energy. It's very hard to lead if you're down on energy. Some people walk into a room and they suck the oxygen out of the room and all possibility and opportunity goes. I think leaders need to do whatever it takes to make them appropriately ready for the challenges of being a leader. And if that's 8 hours sleep or going to the gym, whatever it takes. Because when your energy is right, then you have a chance of managing other people. And I'm not suggesting you always have to be Tigger, but you shouldn't be either or either. And if you can manage your energy, I think you can be a good leader. And the last one is I'm a believer that 80% of success is showing up. You need to show up as a leader. You can't be a leader by sitting behind your desk doing emails. You need to be present, you need to go out there, you need to meet customers, you need to meet partners, you need to meet your staff, and you need to understand the dynamics of a very fast changing market.